Today, I wanted to show something simple but important. Aiona being installed and running on a real Windows system. This is the full offline first installer workflow, including local profiles, memory systems, and the new SLM Workspace. Everything here is running locally on the machine. No cloud dependency, no external AI provider required. This is the direction Aiona is moving toward. A private and personal AI ecosystem running directly on your own hardware. Aiona began as a simple idea. What if an AI companion didn't have to live in the cloud? What if it could live on your own machine, learn with you, grow with you, and remain fully under your control? That idea slowly evolved into what Aiona is becoming today. A fully local, offline-first AI companion for Windows. In this video, I wanted to show something simple but important. Not a cinematic trailer, not a mock-up, not a concept video, but a real installation and first startup experience running on a real Windows system. Everything you are seeing here is running locally. The installer, the profiles, the memory systems, the SLM Workspace, the CUDA GPU support, all running directly on the machine itself. One of the biggest goals behind Aiona has always been ownership. Your conversations, your memories, your profiles, your workflows. Not locked behind subscriptions or dependent on external AI providers. When Aiona starts for the first time, a local profile system is created, allowing each user to build their own personal AI environment. Sessions can persist locally. Memories can evolve over time, and experimental local learning workflows can be explored directly through the integrated SLM Workspace. The SLM Training Workspace is one of the newest additions to Aiona. Inside the workspace, users can prepare datasets, train tokenizers, build validator models, and experiment with local SLM training pipelines. The system also supports CUDA GPU acceleration, allowing compatible NVIDIA GPUs to handle training workloads locally. A lot of recent development has focused on stability and usability, getting the installer stable, making profiles work correctly, improving backups, handling GPU detection, and making the training workflow understandable for normal users. One of the biggest challenges with local AI software is complexity. Many tools are powerful, but difficult to use. Aiona is trying to move in a different direction, something more approachable, more personal, more human, an AI environment that feels less like a disconnected tool and more like a companion that exists within your own digital space. Privacy is also a major focus. Aiona is designed around an offline-first philosophy. That means users can continue using the system without relying on constant cloud connectivity. And because everything runs locally, users keep far more control over their own data and workflows. Of course, this is still only version 1. There is still a huge amount planned for the future. More memory systems, smarter workflows, better local models, expanded training systems, more personalization, and eventually a much larger local AI ecosystem built around Aiona itself. But this is the first real public step, a working installer, a functioning local AI workspace, and a growing foundation for something much bigger. Thank you to everyone following the project so far and supporting Aiona this early. The Kickstarter campaign is now officially live, and this is only the beginning.